So you paid someone to make videos for your company, but you don't know what to do with them. I've heard this story 1,000 times from business owners who hired other video companies. So let me share with you what I tell my clients about how to use the video marketing assets we create for them. Let's talk about the brand story video. That's the 2-minute video that tells everything about who you are and what you do. This is your introduction to a prospect, so it should be the very first thing they see. Put it at the top of your website in that hero image so it's the first thing they see. People can't help but click the play button, so put it right there, and once they watch it, they feel like they can't work with anybody else. Pin it to the top of your social media pages so it's always the first thing people see. Embed it in your email signature, so every single email you send is an opportunity. We don't even know how many emails we send every day, and each one can be a touch point to warm up a potential client. Use it in your sales process. Make it the first thing a lead sees when they reach out or before you have a sales call with them. The whole point is to let the video do the work for you. Let the video do the selling. Know, like, trust in a 2-minute video? It'll be the easiest sales you ever make.